Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you are here. So in today's video, I'm going to showcase how to turn an old box braid into a new one. Like you can see what I'm doing already. I used this mouse tail comb to brush it out. Give it a path, brush it very well. You can see what I'm doing. Yes, I keep on brushing it. So now I'm going to get my shine and jam. This thing you're seeing now is called shine and jam. It's costly, yes, but it will give you that shiny and strong hold that you desire. I rub it all over, you can see. So now I'm going to bring another one, that is my black gel. This black gel is to give it like a definite color, to bring out my color. You know, the color I used on my hair is not black, so I need something that will bring out my color texture. Do you understand? So now I'm going to use this hairspray. You can see what I'm doing. This hairspray is for extra hold, like to give it that extra hold. Guys, you can't guess. This my hair is old. Like I've carried this hair for 1 month and 1 week, and I was like, no way, I'm not gonna lose this hair if I don't make a video with this hair. And boom, here is it. And I'm happy that I achieved it, and I also hope that you enjoy it. So as you can see, I'm using my brush to brush it out. Yes, keep on brushing. Can you see the hair is changing? It's changing. All those loose baby hair, can you see it has just flapped and relaxed? Yes, can you see it? Can you see it? The hair is now giving, like it looks so neat. Yes, check it out, check it out. What do you think? That's so nice, so neat, so neat. Like it looks so neat now, very fine. Wow, wow, I hope you like what you're seeing. Shake it, baby, shake it, flip it. So now I'm going to dive into the styling. Just like I said earlier in the video, that I styled it into 6 different ways. This my hair is long box twist braid. So in this video, I will show you guys how to style it in 6 different ways. The styling is so easy and detailed. Just relax and watch to the end. I promise you, you won't regret ever watching this video. Please support me by liking this video, commenting and subscribing if you haven't done so. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you, and see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.